Welcome to this video on SAP S/4HANA FICO, exploring how this solution transforms financial management and controlling. In this video, we will cover the introduction, key features, benefits, and challenges of SAP S/4HANA FICO, concluding with a summary of its value. SAP S/4HANA FICO uses advanced in-memory technology to provide real-time insights, simplify processes, and improve reporting accuracy. Key features include real-time reporting, the universal journal for a single source of truth, high HANA performance, and integrated FI and CO modules. The benefits of SAP S/4HANA FICO include improved efficiency through automation, better decision-making with real-time financial insights, and enhanced compliance via standardized processes. Implementation challenges like complexity and cost can be addressed through proper planning, expert guidance, phased implementation, and optimizing resources. In conclusion, SAP S/4HANA FICO is a powerful solution that enables real-time insights, simplifies financial processes, and improves compliance for better decisions. Thank you for watching this video. You can contact us via phone, email, or visit our website for more information.